Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Nicole and today I'm going to teach you how to cook a simple frittata or a triple omelette. We are going to use a lot more than just 3 eggs, so stick around. You do not want to miss this. So we're going to start off with these beautiful strips of bacon. I'm using about 5 strips for this recipe. So we're going to chop them into little bits so they crisp evenly. Roughly chop a pepper and keep it aside. You can use any color you want, but I'm just going to use green here. Get your pan on and add a splash of olive oil, which is about 1 tablespoon. In goes the bacon. You want to make sure that the pan is nice and hot so that the bacon becomes crisp. If the flame is too slow, your bacon is going to become soggy and that will ruin the texture of the frittata. Next, add your chopped pepper to the pan and cook them well. Add some freshly boiled peas and some corn kernels. Just let the veggies cook in that rendered fat, and it will soak up all that flavor. Add some salt and some pepper to season it, and they are almost done cooking. Once the veggies are cooked, add some cheese. I'm using a mix of cheddar and mozzarella, so you will find creamy pockets of molten cheese when you cut into the frittata. Now we have 7 eggs. You can add more eggs depending on the size of your pan. Season them and whisk them before adding them into your veggies. Slowly pour them into the pan and really let it go all the way to the bottom of the pan. As a final touch, go ahead and grate some more of that beautiful cheese on the top. Turn the grill on and bake this for 4 to 5 minutes. It's out of the oven now and it looks absolutely amazing. Tap the pan a couple of times to release it, and you can either slide the frittata out just like this, or you can always put the board on top of the pan and flip it onto the board. That looks absolutely delicious. can see how soft and creamy it is on the inside. So that is the easy frittata. You can cook this in just 10 minutes. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. You guys have been amazing. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to click the red subscribe button and click the bell icon for more tasty videos like this. I'll see you on the flip side.